Yo, this is Donald B. How are you guys doing? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to use Magic Switch. Magic Switch basically helps you to adjust the frame of whatever you're working on. So like if you're working on a story like you'll see on this page right now, and you want to change it to like an Instagram post, we can adjust that. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Because sometimes it can be frustrating and sometimes we feel like we have to start over and create a whole new image. But we're not going to do that today. We're going to show you how to actually adjust this without even changing the image. Well, actually going in and fixing pictures like that. But anyways, let's get into it real quick. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is you have your image right here. You can see that. You can see right now this is like a storyline type image right here. As you can see, it says Merry Christmas Instagram story. So this is the storygram size. Alright, so let's go to Magic Switch. Just click on the button. Pow, booyakacha. Now, I want to change it to an Instagram portrait. Okay? I said portrait. Portrait. So Instagram post. The regular size post. So if you click on this, boom, this is going to help you to resize it. So let's hit continue. Now, once you do that, you can see the correct way that you want it to be. It shows you there. Look at it. And just hit resize this design. Bam. Just like that, the size, boom. Shape is redesigned. Well, I said redesigned, but the shape is resized, and you're set. If you want to, you can probably come in here and move this back over to the left. If you want to do that, you can. It's up to you. Move this a little bit further over here. You can do any kind of adjustment you want to the pivot to the image once you've done it. But I just wanted to show you guys that so that way you can go in and just adjust your pictures anytime you want to. Let's try one more. Let's see if there's a Facebook one in here. You can do custom side, but let's do Facebook post landscape. Let's try that one. Let's hit continue. And look at that. And it's going to resize it for you. Just like that. Boom. Look at that, y'all. Like I said, you can always move things if you want to. It's up to you. Put it back down in the corner. And you're set. Alright, y'all. That's all I wanted to go show you. But always remember, you must like, follow, subscribe, whatever this is on, do it please, so that way you can see more Canva type tutorials, or even you want to see ChatGPT tutorials. Let me know what you want to see. I'll create those tutorials. Leave it down in the comments so that way I can help you guys. Because I know a lot of you guys have questions, and sometimes you see something you don't know how to do it. So if you see a picture, I have no problem you guys send me pictures that you want to see as well. Just let me know, and I'll show you how to get in contact with me. You can always email me if you want to. Email is going to be right here on the screen. That's going to be jdbconnections@gmail.com. I use that for just sending me images that you want so that I can actually see how to make it for you, and then boom, I'll show you a description how to do it. Alright, so as always, it's not deuces, it's doses.